Welcome. If you want to use application in the floating video in your Xiaomi Redmi K30s, at first you have to open one of the applications. So for example, I'm going for Google Chrome. After that, you have to click right here and click to floating videos. So we are able to take application to floating video from this list, but also we can click hold and tap right here, and our application pops in the floating video, as you can see. So we can also resize this application, and we can, sorry, I just misclick. Let's open it one more time, and we can right now open second application, and we are right here with this floating up. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.